Hey guys, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny, and guys, I have some stunner homes to show you guys in this video. When I say truly stunning and beautiful at amazing prices, prepare to be blown away and keep on watching. The first home in today's video is this townhouse listed for 26 million Jamaican dollars or US $168,930 or 129,405 pounds. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse located in Bridgeport, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. Are you guys already in love with the cupboards that you're seeing here? Because I'm already in love with this. Like, beautiful upper and lower built-in cabinetry. It is so beautiful, so well done. And then let's talk about how the house is laid out. So on the ground floor, you have a garage, living, dining, kitchen, storage area, laundry room, back porch. You have a bedroom and also an ensuite bathroom on the ground floor. And then on the first floor, when you go upstairs, you have the master bedroom with the ensuite master bathroom, 2 secondary bedrooms, and then another bathroom that I guess the other 2 bedrooms would share. And you guys look inside of this bathroom, like really nice. You can tell like this seems to be like recently renovated, not too long ago, not very fresh renovations, but like not old and popped down. If I should say that. Like, house is in good condition. Let's talk about that. So here is what seems to be one of the other those secondary bedrooms, and then the bathroom. So you do have like a double vanity here with the walk-in shower, the sliding door. Really nice. So you guys, again, this one is for 26 million, 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. And for the persons who have always like asking for Greater Portmore, here it is. Like, I realize that there has been a lot of demand for Greater Portmore, so I'm happy. I'm so happy to be able to show this one to you guys. And here is what seems to be the master. This looks like one of the larger bedrooms of all of them. So yeah, I believe that one was the master, and then this was another bedroom, another one of the secondary bedrooms, and then here is another one. So as you could see in the master a while ago, you have space to hold like a king size bed with additional furniture, your dresser, and your nightstand tables, and all of those lovely things. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, the link will be in the description box down below with all of the information to contact the realtor. Check the description box. Are you guys ready for this one? This beautiful 2-story stunning house is listed for 26,500,000 or US $172,179 or 131,893 pounds. Did you just see that kitchen? Did you just see that kitchen? How beautiful it is. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Top Hill, Junction, St. Elizabeth, that sits on a lot size of 15,241 square feet. Are you guys gagging, or am I the only one drooling over here? This is so beautiful. The value for money right here. I think I need to move to St. Elizabeth. And Junction is a great area in St. Elizabeth. It's a really good area. It's really close to everything that you could ever need. Like, Junction is a really good area, you guys. Look at this bathroom. Look at this yard. This home is just a beautiful, just a well done house. So beautiful. I think the people in St. Anne and the people in St. Elizabeth, you guys know how to build good homes. Like, you guys know how to use up the land space. You guys know how to utilize the land. Let's talk about the layout of this home. So on the ground floor, you have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen, double car garage, pump room, underground water tank. And then on the first floor, that's where you have the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, 2 additional secondary bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen again, living, dining, and a veranda. Do you see how spacious these rooms are? Am I the only one who's seen this? Am I the only one noticing? something wrong with town. But no, we know the reason why the price is like that in Kingston. But this is so, so beautiful. You guys, if you're interested in this one, you're going to contact Stephen Reynolds, all right, at 876-401-1722. And I'll have all of this information again in the description box down below. And the last property I have to show you guys is this apartment here, listed for 30 million Jamaican dollars, or US $194,919, or 149,313 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom apartment located on Kensington Crescent in the Kingston 5 area. And Kingston 5 area is like the new Kingston area, you guys. This apartment is 914 square feet. It does have, as I said, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, living, dining, a kitchen area, really open concept, balcony, and also an in-unit laundry area. The complex features an entertainment area, 24-hour security. You have ample parking space. All right, so not bad, you guys. And also a gym. Let's not forget that. So for the gym lovers, for the persons who do not want to leave the comfort of their apartment to go to the gym, here is an apartment for you. It has its own, communal gym. So that's really great. Really good thing to have. So if you are interested in this one, you guys, you are going to reach out to Jacklyn from Prescott Property Services at 876-995-0670. And again, as I said, I will leave all of this information in the description box down below, and the description box is that area that's right below the title of the video. All right, you guys, so only reach out to Jacklyn. Or if you have your realtor can contact Jacklyn, and everything can be worked out that way. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, as I said, $30 million, Kensington Crescent, Kingston 5, that's the new Kingston area, 914 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom at this really nice apartment complex, gated, 24-hour security with gym, with entertainment area, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested, reach out to Jacklyn from Prescott Property Service. Her information will be in the description box down below. All right, and that's the only person. Everything that I'm saying, you guys, these are the only persons that you should reach out to. Do not listen to anyone in the comment section saying that they're the realtor. You can contact them on WhatsApp, or you're getting a discount on the house. Do not do that. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget that we're doing one full week of back-to-back videos, so there will be a new video up tomorrow. Tell me in the comments which property was your favorite from this video. Also tell me which parishes you want to see, which area. Please be specific. So yeah, probably not the community now, that's a little bit too specific, but tell me the parish and the budget. All right, you guys, so that's it. So until my next video, bye guys.